Have we reached to the point that conflict blinded us to our own humanity? A few days ago, I was watching a video from London. People, they were tearing down flowers and pictures of innocent victims of the latest attack to Israeli people. Seeing this, I couldn't help but wonder, how does hate can help honoring lost life from both sides? Mahatma Gandhi once said, eye for an eye ends up making the whole world blind. And here we are, blind to the pain and suffering of innocent people. How we can stop this cycle of madness and stop being a part of this propaganda from one side and another? How we can start to honor the lost life and suffering of human being? Every lost life matters and is a tragedy. Maybe the only way to stop this cycle of madness is to choose humanity over hatred. If we don't, we will lose our connection and everything that connects us as a human being. How much more it takes to understand that fueling the propaganda and hatred from afar is not helping the cause of lost people from both sides. Well, let's see the truth and let's stop being part of this propaganda and hatred, and let's honor every lost life. Every innocent life that is lost is a tragedy.